Hello, I'm Pa the Spaceman. Jeff and his wife are out partying with friends again. He left me here to watch the dogs, so I've decided to use this time to make yet another video for him. Ever since I was hired to help Jeff become a full-time YouTube content creator, I've been a little short of cash. He says he'll pay me once we reach 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait. So, if you enjoy today's content, please click that like and subscribe button below. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. In the meantime, I've got another side hustle going on. I'm going to start selling real estate. Specifically, my house, because I can't afford the mortgage anymore. Today's video is about jazzing up those boring real estate pictures you see on Zillow. We're going to add a bit of virtual curb appeal to help this puppy sell fast. Here's a picture of my house. It's a nice photo, but it could be better. As you can see, the picture is pretty good, but the sky isn't popping out the way I want it to do. We really get some great sunsets here in Tucson. So, I'm going to work a little affinity magic. First, I'll click on the selection brush tool here to select the foreground that I want to keep. That looks good. We'll clean up the details by doing a couple things. First, we'll click on Refine up on the top here. Then, we'll paint over the areas that the selection brush tool missed. We'll change the preview to make the background transparent, and we'll select the output to the layer with mask selection. Click Apply. OK. So, I'm going to use the freehand selection tool, the little lasso button on the side here, to select and delete the imperfections. Awesome. Now, let me add a great free sunset photo that I found on unsplash.com, and I'll stretch it out over my canvas. Let me send that to the back and move it around a bit until it's just right. Much better. Ready to sell. They'll be lining up at the door to buy this puppy. Thank you so much. Again, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. Thanks so much, everybody. See you next time.